Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile in Xero without bank feeds. So first, you may want to head over to Xero.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on Accounting, then Bank Account. Next, just beside your bank account, click on Manage Account, then Import a Statement. And from here, all you have to do is upload bank statements from your bank. The same with these formats: OFX, QFX, QIF, QBO, or CSV file. Then next is just proceed. Make sure that you map and assign columns, then proceed. So once your bank statement was done importing, head back to bank accounts. Then beside your bank account, click once again on manage account and click on reconcile account. So from here, Xero will then try to match the imported lines with your invoices, bills, or manually entered transactions. If everything is matched correctly, you can proceed by pressing on the OK button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!